Hello friends, we are on module 1. What we will learn from this module is a myth about yoga, what is rapid yoga, an introduction to rapid yoga, elements of rapid yoga, and what are the benefits of rapid yoga. A myth about yoga. I am reading out a statement here. Yoga programs require a lot of space and time and hence can't be implemented in corporate environment. This is a myth. So rapid yoga, we are introducing rapid yoga here. It is not necessary for rapid yoga to have a special time and special space for it. It can be done in 10 minutes even. It is very rapid in nature. You don't require a separate space out of for it. It is well suited for IT and non-IT BPO professionals, and it can be done near your laptop and desktop. While writing an email, you can do rapid yoga. Session can be kept strong ranging between 10 to 20 minutes. So there is no specific timelines for it. It can be done in office clothes. I'm doing it in my office clothes right now. It can be done sitting on chair, so there is no specific mat required for it. There is no dedicated space required for it. It can be held any point of time. It can be done in daytime as well as night time. Rapid yoga is suitable for all kind of industries, whether you are from banking industry, you are from telecom industry, you are from IT background, you are from financial background. It is suitable for all kind of industries. Introduction to rapid yoga. If you Google yoga, you'll find that yoga is a Sanskrit word. It is derived from a word called yuj. Yuj means union. Union of body, mind and soul at your workplace is rapid yoga. What does it exactly mean? So to answer this, I'm introducing a new concept called yoga triad. So yoga triad has basic three elements. One is your physical activity, concentration and breathing. Let me explain this. This is a physical activity. I'm moving my hands. So this is a physical activity I'm doing. Now, what I'm doing is I'm bringing my focus here. So the second element, concentration. I'm bringing my concentration to my moving hand. So this is the second element. Now, I am implementing the third element in it. So while moving, my hand is moving out from my body, I am inhaling. And when it is coming towards my body, I am exhaling. So what I'm doing is I'm implementing the third element called breathing. So now physical activity, concentration and breathing, all three elements are there. So this is rapid yoga. This is exactly the practical implementation of definition of yoga. To make it more simpler, we have physical activity, one element, concentration, we combine this and then put an extra element of breathing on it is called rapid yoga. So this is rapid yoga. Now we will learn what are the various benefits of rapid yoga. So the very first benefit is it will increase productivity. Your employees will be less anxious, they will be in less stress, and hence the overall productivity of an employee is increased. Morale booster. If you're working and you get a stinker from your boss, you're not happy, do rapid yoga, it will calm your mind and you can again start your work with morale booster. Overall improvement of employee health. Yes, I see. I conduct a lot of rapid yoga sessions and I see it improves the overall health of an employee. Lower risk of on-job injury. Build trust among team members. So when you are practicing rapid yoga, it will calm your mind, you are more happy, and hence build trust among team members. You will not be in argument mode anymore. More friendly and enjoyable workspace, definitely. While practicing rapid yoga, you will be more calm, you're more friendly, and you can enjoy your workplace. More focused and less anxious employees. So if you're practicing rapid yoga at your workplace while working on a laptop, you will be more focused and less anxious. Reduces stress a lot. It reduces stress tremendously. There are a lot many benefits, so we discussed most important out of those. So this is about module 1. So we'll now move to module 2.